So in this kind of question, it's slightly more complicated. There are two statements, something known as an assertion and a reason. And what you have to do is work out for each of these statements whether it is true or false. Having done that, you also have to work out what the logical relationship is between the two statements. In particular, is the second statement the reason for the first statement? Is the assertion true because the reason is true? So the approach to answering these kind of questions, the first thing that you should do, my advice, is to work out whether these two statements are true or false. If either of them is false, the question gets a bit easier because it means that it's one of these three options. However, if you decide that they're both true, then you have to work out what the relationship is between the two. Is this statement true because this statement is true? If you think it is, then you answer option A. The reason explains the assertion. Typically, when we write these questions, in order to generate option B, the reason does not explain the assertion, what you might do is reverse the order of the reason and assertion. Then the causality is round the wrong way. And if you think the causality is round the wrong way, then the reason does not explain the assertion and you answer option B. That's not always the case. There may be some other reason why the reason does not explain the assertion, but that's a typical occurrence. Bear in mind that there is a process of moderation that goes on after you've completed your test, particularly given that this is the first time we've run these tests. What we will do is look at how people are performing and make sure that everything is in order, but be aware that there is a possibility that your mark might change through the process of moderation. There you go. I hope you found these tips helpful and good luck with your tests.